Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix error code 268 in Roblox. So first thing you want to try and do is the most obvious thing, is you just want to try and reboot your computer and then log in and see if the issue persists. If not, then find your shortcut to your Roblox player. You can find it on the desktop upon installing your game for the first time, or you can just go into your start menu and finding it there. After that, right click, open file location, and in this application file, right click, go to properties. In this window, go to compatibility tab. Under compatibility mode, press here, and then choose Windows 7, and then also click on run this program as administrator, then click on apply and OK. Close this window. If the second step didn't help, go ahead and click on your shortcut of Roblox player once again, choose troubleshoot compatibility, and then just click on test the program. As you can see, nothing happened for me because the program works. If it didn't work previously for you, and then you press this button, if you have a window pop up, that means the issue is resolved on its own, and now you can play the game. The last thing you want to try to do, close this window, then go to control panel, go to uninstall a program, find Roblox in the list, and then just uninstall it. And then go into the official website of Roblox and install it again, and hopefully it fixes your issues. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if this helped you, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I will see you very soon.